What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, I want to discuss what the importance is of being patient. Now, patience can mean a lot of things, whether you're a patient person in life, school, relationships, work, but today specifically, I want to touch on being patient and when it comes to trading. A lot of people tend to have the misconception that they always have to be trading and they have to be taking 2, 3, 4, 5 trades a day minimum, even if there's no opportunity in the market to do so. And with that said, opportunity in the market are the key words whenever you want to think of yourself, whether you're over trading or you're not trading. Now, in slow months, sometimes January can be a little bit of a slow month. We do have a lot of news that came across on January that moved the markets a little bit, but overall we kind of consolidated within a range, even between GJ, US 30, gold, so on and so forth, for pairs like that, where there wasn't really much going on. There was a lot of days that I was just waiting it out and seeing what the market would do or how it would digest news. Without you being patient, you'd end up overexposing yourself and taking trades that are non-existent, frankly. And whenever you take a non-existent trade, all you're doing is over leveraging yourself and exposing yourself to risk that you don't need to be exposed to. The main reason I say that is because I promise you, if you took losing trades in January because the market wasn't moving the way you liked it to move or it should be moving, it's all your fault. You shouldn't have took those trades. For a fact, you actually thought about it and looked at the charts and said, hey, the chart, the pair is moving a little weird today. Like, I don't know what's going on. There's not much movement. There's no volume. And you just took a trade just to throw it out there. And then you probably even used your long or short position and drew up a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, which did end up happening. You end up, getting stuck in consolidation and you had some drawdown, and that's just no good. Now, of course, it's going to become easier with time to have more patience and get used to not trading, right? Like, I had about 2 weeks in January, even though it was a great month overall for me. I didn't trade for 2 weeks. Like, there was no trades. I maybe took a total of 5 trades in the whole entire month, and that was only because I had 2 very busy weeks and 2 very slow weeks. And that wasn't because of my schedule. That was basically just because I didn't like the way the market was moving. And whenever I don't like the way the market's moving, or I don't like the price range that it's in, I just don't mess with it overall, because at the end of the day, if I don't feel confident enough to say, yeah, 100%, this is a position I want to take, or this is a viable position that could make me money, then I'm not going to get in the trade, because I said it right there. Like, you have to have these conversations with yourself. And by having these conversations with you, it's going to force you to be patient. Now, of course, there are some days where you feel like you have FOMO and you just don't want to miss out on an opportunity that is somewhat there, but not really. Just take a step back, go do something else. I promise you, you're gonna thank me later for that, because I had a lot of days where I was like, I'm tired of like looking at the charts and there was nothing there. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go run some errands, do a couple things that I've had on the back burner, things that I just been putting off because I've been busy trading or doing something else. And that helped me a ton, right? If you've been doing good in trading, you do have your profits. This is something that you struggle with every now and then. This is the time for you to enjoy some of those profits, right? Go out, have a nice dinner or lunch, whatever. Go out, have a day with the boys or whatever the case might be, and enjoy yourself, because that's part of the journey as well. A lot of people get overwhelmed with what trading actually is and think that they have to be on the charts 24/7 every single day of the year. And that's not the case. There are going to be days where you're just in and out of the market, or there's days where the market's just not having it and you're just not really meant to be in that market for that day. So you just pack your stuff and go about your day and do something else. Now, you are going to feel like you're not doing enough or you're not doing something, because I feel the same exact way. So I'm just going to relay that to you guys. Don't think that you guys aren't doing something or you guys are kind of slacking off in that sense. Just know that there's a reason why you're walking away, right? You have to play at your strengths, not your weaknesses. If you know that your weakness is sitting at the screen and getting a little antsy on whether you should get into a position or not, and a position is not very viable for you, or at least it doesn't line up with your trading strategy, then walk away. Just force yourself to get up, go do something that you enjoy. Now, I know, if you get overwhelmed with trading when you first start and you're just trading this, trading that, trading this, trading that, then you're going to get a little overwhelmed with not knowing what you actually like anymore, just because you've been so flustered over what trading is. Dude, go pick up another hobby, honestly, or just call your friends up. Hey, what are you guys doing? Or plan something with your girl or whatever the case might be. I hope these tips help you guys out. Check the link in the description for all the good stuff that I have posted up there. There's a lot of free content for you guys to enjoy.
Hey guys, sorry for interrupting your video, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys check the link in the description, I do have a private little link right there for you guys to have direct access to me through Telegram. It's not a bot, it's not some computerized assistant or anything. It's my personal Telegram link to where you can send me messages on any questions you guys have or other topics you guys want to talk about, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you guys. I'll try to respond to as many as you as possible. If I don't respond at the same time, just give me a couple minutes or an hour and I'll get to you accordingly. Now, also in the link in the description, I do have all the free Telegram, the Signals chat. I do have the website where I offer all the services, and I also have a direct link to the free Forex and stock market coursework as well as crypto coursework.